standing outside waiting for you. You were always taking time, babe. What's up and good evening, I think everyone. Good morning, whatever time it is. It has been a long day up at the shop at Resurrecteddp Performance. We have been working all day. It's Friday, it's all that stuff. We have the 2011 LML, we have the Ford that we've been working on. I'm filthy, I'm tired, but I wanted to make this video to go over a few things that I feel like you need to do to your 2011 LML, or 2011 and 2016 anyways. But before we get into today's video, I'm gonna hit you with a like challenge. If you get this video to 500 likes, I'll straight pipe my Duramax, the Grandpa Max. The truck we're not supposed to do anything to, I'll straight pipe it. But you guys gotta get me to 500 likes, so go hit that button right now. But without further ado, whatever it is, I'm sorry, I'm tired. Let's talk about the topic of today's video. 5 things that I feel like you need to do to your LML to make it safe, reliable, and yeah, just an all-around better truck. Number 1, the first and foremost, and I'll give explanations on everything here. The number 1 thing that you need to do to an LML Duramax, no matter what year, 2011 and 2016, and some of these coincide with each other, so they need to go hand in hand, okay? But they're all on the list. You need to do a CP3 conversion on this truck, without a doubt. CP3 conversion to get rid of that junk CP4 that blows up. Obviously, all you guys know that the CP4s are just the worst pumps ever. They blow up, they fail, they ruin your fuel injectors, you're out 10 grand. If you can't do it yourself, you're still out 4 grand, even if you can. So, definitely something I think we should do. What do you guys think? Drop it down below. But you need to do a CP3 conversion on these trucks. Now with that, you need tuning. Your truck's not gonna run right with a CP3, obviously it's not the right fuel pump for the truck. And back to the CP3 conversion is HSP makes a CP3 conversion, so if you need one, let me know. We'll get you set up and sent out to you. I don't have a lead time on it because, you know, usually you get other stuff with it, but anyways, if you need a CP3 conversion, let me know and I'll take care of you. So if you need one, let me know. Second thing with that, like I was saying, is tuning. You need to tune your truck to run a CP3. Emissions compliant tuning, okay? So that is the second thing. You need to tune these trucks. You'll get better fuel mileage, you will get rid of the CP4, and you'll have a good solid running truck with a CP3 in it. Everything, life will be good. On top of that, if you want to be cool, do an exhaust. At least, it doesn't have to be straight piped. At least put an exhaust with a muffler on it, get rid of the DPF, get rid of the DEF system, get rid of all that stuff, because it just ruins your truck. It clogs it up, it gets super hot, it's just no good. DEF fluid is not good for the environment. There's nothing good about it. I'm telling you right now, it's just a all-around bad system. It ruins fuel mileage, like everything just sucks. So with that being said, a delete. I feel as though, what number are we on? So that was 3. So CP3, tune, exhaust, get rid of all that junk. Whether you do a muffler or not, doesn't really matter. Some people like to still be quiet. You can do just a delete pipe, whatever, you know, whatever floats your boat. Fourthly, I feel like you should, obviously there's a lot of issues with emission standards now and everything that goes on with it. You should delete these trucks. The EGR system is just bad news. Also, with a tune, with everything, with the exhaust, just get rid of everything, because you're letting exhaust go back into your motor and just gum everything up, and your PCV and all that nasty. No, bad stuff. So do an EGR delete on it. Just get a full Y bridge though. Don't do the cheap blocker plates. It's not the same. Get rid of everything. Get nice piping. Spend the money. You know, when you're spending 35, 40, you know, maybe 25 to 40, depending on the miles, how clean it is, yada yada, on a truck, spend the 2 grand. and get a delete, get a tune, take care of your motor, because these trucks are pretty stout. I like LMLs, I really do. Besides the CP4, obviously the pistons are still kind of on the edge, but I think they hold up pretty well. 6-speed Allison, all that good stuff. The fifth thing is an air dog. I say air dog because we don't talk about the other brand here. A lift pump, but get an air dog. You're gonna want to do a lift pump on this bad boy. It's gonna help your fuel system, gonna help your mileage, gonna help everything in life. So that's 5 things. CP3 conversion, absolutely. Tune. All right, backtrack a little bit. Let me backtrack on this thought a little bit. While you're doing a CP3, you might as well do the Y bridge because you're already in that area, taking everything out to get the CP3 in and take the CP4 out. Should have done that second, but whatever, I digress. So, CP3 conversion, full delete, get rid of your exhaust, do a tune, that's 4, and put a lift pump on it. And you will have yourself a stout truck. Now, I was gonna change a few of those up because they kind of all go together, and say wheels and tires, but it's not really necessary. Get rid of these shiesty running boards too, but yeah, you know, you can, I feel like that is the 5 things that you should do to your LML Duramax to get a solid running truck. Now, like I said, if you get this video to 500 likes, I will straight pipe my Duramax. I will straight pipe it. No muffler, no nothing. I will buy a tune and I will straight pipe this truck. I don't want to, but I might have to if you guys make that happen. But that's gonna do it for today, guys. Just a quick video talking about the 5 things that you need to do to your LML Duramax to make it a solid truck. And then there's obviously a world of other things you can go down. But that's gonna do it for today, guys. Give this video 500 likes. If you're new here, hit that subscribe button. I appreciate all you guys. Thank you to everyone new. We're almost at 13K. But that's gonna do it, guys. I'm out. I'll see you later. Good night.